In a forest, there was a burrow. In that burrow lives a boy named Sammy with his parents. Sammy is known for his bravery and curiosity, always eager to explore the world around him. One sunny morning, Sammy decides to go on an adventure beyond the familiar paths of the forest. Along the way, he encounters various obstacles and challenges, including crossing a rushing river and navigating through a dense thicket. Despite the difficulties, Sammy remains determined to explore and learn more about the world beyond his burrow. As Sammy ventures deeper into the forest, he encounters a group of mischievous squirrels who tease him for being small and daring to explore. With courage and cleverness, Sammy outsmarts the squirrels and continues his journey deeper into the forest. Along the way, he discovers a hidden meadow filled with colorful flowers and meets new friends, including a wise old owl and a friendly deer. Sammy learns valuable lessons about courage, friendship, and perseverance during his adventure. In the evening, Sammy returns home to his burrow, filled with newfound confidence and a sense of accomplishment. He shares his exciting adventure with his family and friends, inspiring them to embrace bravery and curiosity in their own lives.